Well, a very good morning to all the Vivites again. So let me start today's Facebook Live session of iCharge. As everyone knows, iCharge is a wonderful product which is a 100% natural drink, which is a natural rejuvenator for improving your strength, your stamina, and to reduce the stress at the same point of time, my dear friends. So there are three important yes and yes in iCharge. So which is nothing but improving your strength, improving your stamina, and reducing your stress, my dear friends. So today I am going to speak about two important things again as a part of this wonderful Facebook Live series. The first will be the stress and COVID-19. The second is an important ingredient which is present in iCharge, which is in the limelight right now in India, which is nothing but our ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a very important herb which is present in iCharge, which I'll be speaking about ashwagandha today, my dear friends. So wherein you will understand how exactly ashwagandha is a very important plant in reducing the stress and increasing the energy and retaining the energy inside the body, my dear friends. So I hope you got this point. So going ahead, my dear friends, see, one thing that I've been telling on a daily basis is educating you all about the relevance of this COVID-19 situation and what can be best done with our products. So today, the other important part that I want to cover here is there are a lot of rumors, misinformation regarding the concept of stress, which is actually coming out in some of the social media channels as well as some of the TV channels or even the newspapers for that matter. See, the Health and Family Welfare Ministry, Government of India, they are in fact now telling people not to spread rumors or misinformation about some of the symptoms of the coronavirus, which is actually causing a lot of stress within people actually. This particular stress especially happens whenever the people are in quarantine or the migrant people who are traveling here and there. It can also happen to the working class people who are going to the office. It can also, happen to the hospital staff, the nursing staff, and so on and so forth. But the unnecessary stress should not be taken by overthinking about the condition. This is a very important thing that I want to emphasize here. It is for the wellness of our Vivites as well. So you should not take unnecessary thinking and stress about a condition like COVID-19 by over reading about these things actually. That is also a very bad thing. So you have to take it as it is. We have to adapt to the situation. We have to live with this particular disease. That should be the mantra of our day actually. So this is what even the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India is emphasizing people that do not believe in rumors and misinformation, so that people who are suffering with COVID-19 or the stress which is created because of this disease can be controlled, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, one of the important articles which was written by John Hopkins University. This is a very important thing what I'm trying to tell you. John Hopkins University is one of the topmost universities in the world. They are talking about this concept of stress. They are talking about the concept of stress, which is a very recent article and which is in relation with the COVID-19 as well, my dear friends. There are one important mantra, as I told you, is always adapt to the situation. We have to live with it. So that is why what the John Hopkins University has said is prepare for the situation, don't panic. This is very important. We have to be prepared for the situations, but do not panic, because we are going through this particular home stress also these days. So many people are working from homes as well. They are also stressed up sitting at homes because they have not seen the light of the day outside, because of which even the stress is also increasing a lot inside the human bodies. So prepare, don't panic is actually the mantra which is given by the John Hopkins University. And they are also telling people that knowledge and preparation can reduce the feelings of panic and stress. This is important. One has to be very knowledgeable about the particular disease of COVID-19 and how it spreads and how does not it spread. All these things people have to know, and the adaptation is very important here. So preparation, adaptation, and knowledge about the condition is very important, rather than succumbing ourselves to a condition called as stress. Because if one is succumbing to this particular stress right now, stress can itself become a pandemic in the forthcoming days, my dear friends. This can certainly happen in a country like India, where people are more into social media, people are more into the TV channels, people are more into the newspapers. Such kind of stress can happen a lot. Well, we really have an advantage also, because we have a wonderful product with us called as iCharge, which is a natural rejuvenator for reducing your stress, anxiety, and depression, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So one can promote this product in this way also. people are undergoing stress these days because of so many things like COVID-19, which is creating around, because of which people are even undergoing stress sitting back at their homes. So in order to get rid of this stress, definitely one can drink this wonderful product called as iCharge, which can charge yourself naturally without any side effects. At the same point of time, it can reduce your stress, increase your strength and stamina, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, the next important thing is one of the articles which was published 2 days back. So this article clearly stated that is COVID-19 pandemic taking a toll on your mental health. This is very important. See, one of the scientific articles which has appeared very recently, it has said that your mental health is affected because of COVID-19. So leave the physical health part of it. Even the mental health part of it is actually affected, my dear friends. So it's normal for anybody to experience stress and anxiety during the uncertain time. So everybody undergoes this stress and anxiety, but these negative emotions should not take a toll on your health. This is very important actually. So we have to keep our mental health with ourselves. We have to keep it at bay. So in fact, we should not allow the mental health to aggravate itself. So how do you do this actually? This is a very important thing. There are lots of exercises, the yoga and so on and so forth, but still we have a wonderful product with us called as iCharge. By the regular consumption of iCharge, you can definitely get rid of your mental stress, which also includes your anxiety and depression as well, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, the other important article which appeared yesterday in the Times of India on the online blog on 18th of June, it says that prevention is better than cure. Eat good, remain stress-free, stay at home during the COVID-19 situation. Well, stay at home option is now being cleared off now. So people are venturing outside, but eat good, remain stress-free. See, this article was actually written by one of these psychologists. They clearly say that stress can definitely take a toll on your whole body. Leave the mental health alone, and even the physical health for that matter will be affected by this worst condition situation called as stress, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So now the doctors are clearly telling that the stress can have impact on your body. See, some of the times we also see these situations on a daily basis. People are now sticking on to their electronic gadgets like the mobile phones, their smartphones, their televisions, and always hearing and looking into the news of COVID-19 and COVID-19. And sometimes in the Google and whatever the search engines you have, whenever you type a condition like COVID-19, it will give you 100 symptoms. And in those 100 symptoms, a person will have nearly 80 symptoms actually naturally. But you will not be suffering from any COVID-19. But people think like that. Whenever you read such articles, normally something comes to your brain that I may also be suffering from this condition. So this is what exactly these particular blogs can do to you, my dear friends. And ultimately, because of reading all these things, your stress levels increase. So whenever your stress levels increases, the physical health also deteriorates. This is very important, my dear friends. The physical health also deteriorates. That is a reason why controlling the stress plays a very important role in getting your physical health as well as your strength and stamina also affected. So this is very important. So you have a wonderful product in your hand. You can promote this product as a very good stress buster product. We can call this as a stress buster product. I'm again trying to repeat this word. You can call this product as a stress buster product. Definitely you can promote it in this way so that people can get rid of their mental stress. Automatically the physical health can also be improved, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, one of the important things which is related to women that I'm trying to speak here, this also an article which was written by a gynecologist had appeared yesterday in the Indian Express, June 18th, 2020. Missed or irregular periods, stress amid the pandemic could be causing it. See, most of the women who are either sitting back at homes, they might be homemakers, they might be some, the working class women or whoever it is who are sitting at home also, their periods are getting missed or irregular periods are happening because the stress levels during the pandemic has increased. See, another important article which is written by a gynecologist, what I'm trying to tell you here is, see, even women who are sitting back at homes, doing the work from homes, they are also stressed up, not only because of the work stress, but it is also because of the pandemic stress, which is, they're seeing the TVs on a daily basis, they're sitting back at homes, they're listening to all kinds of news, and ultimately the stress levels are peaking up, left behind. So I was talking about an article which appeared on the Indian Express state on June the 18th, 2020. The article clearly stated that this is pertaining to the women's health. The article clearly stated that there was some stress, which was created in the females or the women who are sitting back at homes, not only because of the work-related stress, because of the stress related to the pandemics, my dear friends. So, such kind of pandemic-related stress can also happen because of sitting idle at homes or sitting working at homes, because of which the stress can develop, which can lead to irregular periods in case of women also. So this can also cause a lot of problems, my dear friends. So we have the avenues with us. So for promotion, it is not only the stress that the people are facing outside during the work, but it is also the stress that the people are facing within their homes because of stress. So this is what the most important thing about stress is all about. So for a condition like stress, the wonderful product that we have is actually the iCharge, which you can promote it as a generalized health supplement in reducing the stress, increasing the energy as well as retaining the energy for a long time. So going ahead, my dear friends, in one of the important articles called as Live Mint on 17th of June, one of the articles appeared. COVID-19 pandemic has left people feeling depressed. See, again, I'm trying to talk about a condition called as depression right now. So which also the article clearly says that COVID-19 leads to a condition like depression over a period of time. See, people are already stressed up now. Whenever the stress becomes pathological, whenever the stress increases inside the body, the depression can certainly happen. So this is the second stage of stress that we are actually looking into. So whenever the depression happens, automatically the person's coming back to the original state is a very, very difficult thing. See, you might be hearing this concept of depression across India right now during various issues that you are having. At the same point in time, whenever the stress levels of the peoples are at the peak, definitely the depressions can also increase. This is what the article is actually telling. It has appeared 17th of June in the magazine Live Mint. So this kind of depression can be seen in young people, especially the job seekers, the daily wagers, the students who are preparing for the exams. Such people, you can definitely see the depression, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. And the health and family welfare, the government of India is also giving guidelines these days for the management, for the holistic management of the stress as well, my dear friends. So how exactly you can combat stress? One important thing that everybody knows, that we have a wonderful product called as iCharge, which can combat your stress. So definitely once you consume the iCharge, your stress levels will reduce, your anxiety and depression can be reduced. At the same point of time, your restlessness can be reduced, because of which you will have a peaceful sleep. And at the same point of time, your energy levels, your innate energy levels, your natural energy levels in the body can be retained. That is what iCharge can definitely do, my dear friends. So always it is important for you to keep talking to each other, because you know that health is wealth. And please do not resort to the bad habits like smoking or alcohol to the maximum extent. So it is also seek facts is a very important thing. You always have to seek the facts. So do not blindly believe in the gossips or the rumors or the misinformation that is spreading around, because of which your stress levels can increase, my dear friends. And this is all a challenge for you, because this is an era, this is a corona zamana, during which we have to adapt to the situation. And at the same point of time, we need to live with this particular disease. This is what the whole mantra of the day is, my dear friends. Well, this was what about a short topic on stress as well as the pertinent COVID-19 situation. Well, let me now talk about another important point, which is a very important ingredient which is present in iCharge, which is called as Ashwagandha Dirishtam. See, every one of you know that there are three important combinations, three important formulations which are present in iCharge. The first one is Ashwagandha Dirishtam, which contains Withenia somnifera, that is the ingredient called as Ashwagandha. It also has Balarishta, it also has Drakshasava. So overall put together, iCharge is a formulation which contains 80 herbs, 80. iCharge is a formulation which contains 80 herbs. So how does Ashwagandha Dirishta help in managing the stress or increasing the energy? This is very important, my dear friends. So going ahead, Ashwagandha. So Ashwagandha is the important ingredient which is present in iCharge. The market for Ashwagandha has really peaked a lot. The market for Ashwagandha has been on a peak during the start of the COVID-19, during the lockdown and post-lockdown also. until 2026, the market for this wonderful herb called as ashwagandha is peaking across the world. This is very important. It is on the peak, it is on the rise across the world, my dear friends, because nowadays the scientists or the doctors across the world, they are of the opinion that this wonderful herb can do miracles in the world, my dear friends. So ashwagandha, so this is a very important thing. June 17th 2020, in India Today, an article appeared called "Can Ayurveda Have Potential Leads Towards COVID-19?" See, even the ICMR today, as well as the Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, they are now working on a clinical trial protocol having a formulation of Ayurveda which includes ashwagandha in this, because ashwagandha is a very important immune booster ingredient. That is the reason why the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, especially the Department of Ayush, is actually concentrating on this wonderful ingredient called as ashwagandha, my dear friends. See the relevance of this wonderful ingredient ashwagandha. I am not only talking about the immune boosting properties of ashwagandha, but I am also talking about its energy producing qualities. Ashwagandha can produce enough optimum natural energy inside your bodies, and it can retain the energies inside your bodies also, my dear friends. This is very important. And at the same point of time, ashwagandha is a wonderful ingredient which can reduce your stress levels and definitely increase your strength and stamina, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, ashwagandha not only does these things, it has a lot of other benefits also. It is very good for reducing the blood sugar levels. It also reduces your anxiety and stress. It increases your muscle strength. This is also important. Ashwagandha is an ingredient which increases the muscle strength and the mass. It reduces your triglycerides and the cholesterol levels. It reduces your inflammation. It increases the fertility rate. It also reduces your cortisol levels in the blood. So these are all the 360 degrees activities of this wonderful herb called as ashwagandha, which is the limelight of the day, wherein even the ICMR and the government of India is putting a lot of budget on doing clinical trials on this wonderful ingredient, especially in such dreadful viral conditions, my dear friends. So going ahead, can ashwagandha be one of the cures for COVID-19? This is also appeared in Times Now on 20th May. So in fact, the ICMR has derived some of the components out of this ashwagandha. So everybody knows what ashwagandha is, but there is a component inside this ashwagandha called as withanolides. These withanolides are considered to be very good antioxidants and anti-stress elements. In fact, the other important word that I want to use here is called as adaptogens. Ashwagandha is a very important adaptogen drug. What is an adaptogen? Adaptogen is an ingredient which will help you adapt to this current scenario. This is very important. We are all running through this crucial COVID-19 scenario, and it is a time for us to adapt to this scenario, and ashwagandha is a very important herb which can help you adapt to this scenario. This is very, very important. So I hope you got my point clear. By the consumption of iCharge, which contains ashwagandha, one can have this adaptogenic property by which you can definitely adapt to the situation so that your stress levels are reduced, and at the same point of time your energy and stamina in the body can be increased, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, again, so ashwagandha is very important for two important things that I want to speak again about ashwagandha is the energy. See, I talked about the stress now. I am talking about the concept of energy now. See, you have plenty full of other products in the market which has a lot of caffeine, taurine and sugar in them. But iCharge is one of first of its kind formulation which does not have sugar. It does not have caffeine also. But it has a wonderful ingredient called as ashwagandha which can give you immediate energy, and at the same point of time it can also help you to retain energy for 7 to 8 hours in a day, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So ashwagandha, as I said, is a very good energy producing drug. It is also a very good antioxidant. It is a very good immune boosting drug also. It is a very good adaptogen herb. This is what you have to know about ashwagandha, my dear friends. So by the use of ashwagandha in iCharge, one can definitely get all these benefits. So as I've been previously telling you also, a person has to consume 2 to 3 cans of iCharge. He can consume up to 2 to 3 cans of iCharge either before or after the food, my dear friends. So from 6 years onwards, especially in the small kids, when you are giving this iCharge, it is always better to give above 6 years onwards. If a person is suffering from blood pressure or sugar or diabetes for that matter, one can definitely drink iCharge, because iCharge is a very good product for producing energy even in a blood pressure or a diabetic patient, because it does not contain the sugar. So tolerability of iCharge, if you see, it can be tolerable for a long-term consumption also. It can be consumed for longer duration also. This is how iCharge is going to help you, my dear friends. So finally, I would like to tell you that don't burn out. See, there is one situation these days which is very, very correct to this pertaining to this current scenario. Don't burn out. It is the burning out which is happening more inside the human bodies these days. That is why burning out is another important synonym for your stress. Suppose if you want to combat stress, always you need to remove your burnout. You need to reduce the burning out inside the body, and that is the reason why we always tell you that recharge yourself with iCharge, my dear friends. So don't burn out, recharge yourself with iCharge. I hope you got my point clear. So with this, I would like to end my short topic on this wonderful product called as iCharge. So now it is a question answer time. So let me take the previous week's questions first. So today my colleague Mr. Akbar is collecting the questions for me. So let me talk to you about the previous week's questions. So the first question that I'm seeing here, does iCharge help in memory loss due to clot in the brain? See, what I would like to tell you is one of the important promotions that we are making out of iCharge is the memory also. iCharge is a very important product for improving your memory as well as alertness. Definitely you can give iCharge in such a situation where memory and alertness have been deprived, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I'm seeing here is from Miss Trisha. Miss Trisha is asking me, can a person suffering from acidity and gastric problem benefit from the use of iCharge? Absolutely yes. This is a very important question because normally what happens whenever you have an acid peptic reflux in your stomach, a gastritis in your stomach, what exactly happens? You have severe gastric reflux. So a product with natural carbon dioxide can definitely soothe your lining of the stomach, and definitely people who are suffering from this problem can consume this particular product for getting themselves relieved from this problem, my dear friends. So the next question that I'm seeing here is from Ms. Sushmita. What is the dosage of iCharge in case of eye problems in both children and adults? Well, as I've told you, iCharge maximum of 2 to 3 cans a day can be consumed. Definitely maximum of 2 to 3 cans can be consumed in a day. So this is how you can consume it in both children and adults. As I've told you, in children it is always better to give iCharge above 6 years of age. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I'm seeing here is, can we recommend iCharge in loose motions? Well, as a liquid, loose motion is a problem, or diarrhea, if what we call, is a problem where lot of liquid stools are passing out of the body. Lot of water is draining out of the body. Definitely iCharge can be given because it contains more and more water and energy. So definitely you can give it in such conditions, my dear friend. So the last question of the last week that I'm taking here is it required to give iCharge with iPulse in Parkinson's disease? Absolutely, a very good question. You have the answer within your question itself. It can be given in case of Parkinson's along with iPulse. I hope you got my point clear. So I'm taking the questions of today now. So the first question is from Mr. Suresh. Mr. Suresh is asking a question, does iCharge have any patents? My dear friends, I would like to tell you one thing. All our Indus Viva products as well as our US products are undergoing the process of patents right now. See, we will be getting the patents in some time from now because the process is actually going on. It is undergoing right now. I hope you got my point. So the next question is from Ms. Deepthi. Can we suggest iCharge in knee pains? Well, as a neurological problem, iCharge is not a product, but for increasing the energy and for increasing the anxiety levels, or reducing the anxiety levels, or reducing the stress levels in the patient, definitely you can give iCharge, my dear friend. I hope you got my point. So because of reducing in the stress, automatically the pain reduces. This is how iCharge can work. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I'm seeing is from Ms. Payal. What is better for migraine, iPulse or iCharge? Well, as I told you, always give iPulse and iCharge in combination. That is a very good thing for some kinds of headaches as well as migraine. Because again, when the stress and anxiety levels reduce in the brain, automatically the headaches can also reduce. I hope my point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Varun. Mr. Varun is asking how effective iCharge is in managing nerve related problems, especially in the lower back. As I've told you, iCharge is a very good relaxant. I'm using the word relaxant. Whenever the relaxation happens in the human body, automatically the aches and pains will reduce, my dear friends. Definitely you can position this product in this particular condition also. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Pasha. How iCharge is helpful in improving the eyesight? Well, as I told you, iCharge is a wonderful product which contains a wonderful ingredient called as lutein. Lutein is derived from the marigold flowers. It is actually a carotenoid which is orange in color. Lutein is nothing but your eye vitamin. We call it as eye vitamin. That is the reason why iCharge is a very good product for most of the vision related generalized problems, my dear friend. So the last question of the day that I am taking today is from Mr. Mohammed. How iCharge can be helpful in cancer related patients? See, as I told you, energy loss or the stress conditions even in all the patients including cancer patients is on the high always. So definitely providing iCharge in such patients can improve their energy levels, at the same point of time can reduce the stress levels and their generalized quality of life, we call it as QOL, or the quality of life in such patients can be definitely improved. Their lifestyle can be improved, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. So thank you very much for your patient watching. Again, we regret the inconvenience caused because there was a technical snag in between, because of which it was delayed a bit. There was an internet blockout, so because of which the page was distorted. So again, the broadcast was started later on. So we apologize for that again. So if we have not answered enough of the questions today, some of your questions, definitely we will be able to answer it in the next week iCharge day, which is the next fabulous Friday, the next week's Friday. I'll be able to take up those unanswered questions, my dear friends. So do not worry about that. So thank you very much for your patient watching again. I appreciate your participation in this wonderful Facebook Live series. Please continue posing your wonderful queries and get your queries answered by me, my dear friends. So thank you very much again. Have a nice day. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.